Good day, class. Today, we will talk about linear equations in one variable. So, for us to deal or to easily deal with linear equations, you have to know how to translate verbal statements into mathematical equations and vice versa. So, the English sentences can be translated into mathematical sentences. A mathematical sentence indicating that two expressions are equal is called an equation. Or if the given expression has equal symbol, that is an example of linear equation. And if there is only one variable on that expression, therefore that is linear equation in one variable. Okay? So let's focus on translation. Example, a number more than 5 is 10. Okay? As you can see, is is highlighted. Okay? Because it is important in linear equation because this word means equal. Okay? So let's translate this. A number more than 5. So a number that is missing or unknown, we will use a variable to represent that number. Then more than means the placement of this given or value should be interchanged with this value. Okay? A number more than 5 means that is 5 plus x is means equal 10. Therefore, our mathematical equation for this verbal statement is 5 plus x is equal to 10. A number more than 5 that is 5 plus x is that is equal or equal symbol 10. Okay? So 5 plus x is equal to 10. Next, 20 is twice a number. Therefore, our answer here is 20 is twice a number means 2 times a number or 2x for instance. Okay? So 20 is equal to 2x. Knowledge of mathematical symbols and their respective meanings enable us to translate verbal statements into mathematical equations. Let's see the translation of these verbal statements to mathematical expressions or mathematical equations. So the sum of a number x and 24 is 44. The sum means addition of a number x and 24, that is x plus 24. Is means equal 44. So x plus 24 is equal to 44. Okay? Next, 4 times a number is equal to 12. 4 times a number that is 4x. Okay, 4x is equal to, equal symbol, 12. So 4x is equal to 12. Next, the quotient of twice a number and 4 is 5. Okay? So, the quotient of twice a number and 4 means twice a number that is 2x. Then 4 means you have to divide this twice a number and 4, that is 2x divided by 4. Okay? Then is 5 means equals to 5. So 2x divided by 4 is equal to 5. Next, 4 less than the ratio of thrice a number to 5 is 2. So 4 less than means this 4 will be interchanged to this value, the ratio of thrice a number to 5. Okay? So this thrice a number, this ratio of thrice a number means you have to divide thrice a number to 5. Okay? So thrice a number that is 3x divided by 5 because of this word ratio. So 3x divided by 5, we have minus 4. Okay? Then is 2 means equals 2. So our answer here is 4 less than the ratio of thrice a number to 5 is 2. Okay? So 3x divide 5 minus 4 is equal to 2. How about this one? A mathematical equation can be translated into verbal statement. Okay, so let's translate these mathematical equations to verbal statements. First, we have
X minus 5 is equal to 16.
in verbal statements, that is 5 less than a number. Okay, so 5 less than a number is 16. Equals 16. Okay? So as I said, there are more than one answer for translating mathematical equation to verbal statement. Okay? So we can say that the another translation for this item would be a number minus 5 is 16. Okay? That is another example or another answer for this mathematical equation. Okay? Next, 10 divide x is equal to 2. Okay? So let's translate that to verbal statement. We have 10 divided by a number x is 2. Okay? As simple as that. 10 divided by a number x is 2. Okay? Or we can say that it is the ratio of 10 and a number x is 2. Again, the ratio of 10 and a number x is 2. Okay? Another, 2 times x minus 8 is equal to 12. So when we translate it to verbal statement, we can say that it is twice the difference of a number and 8. You have to twice the difference of a number and 8 means x minus 8 is 12. So equals to 12. Another, 2x divided by 8 is equal to 14. So when we translate it to verbal statements, that is 1/8 of twice a number is 14. Okay? 1/8 of twice a number. Meaning, 1/8 times twice a number is the same as 2x divided by 8. Why? Because when we multiply 1, the numerator of 1/8 times twice a number, so 1 times 2x, that is 2x. That's why here on our numerator we have 2x and the denominator is 8 because that is the denominator of 1/8. Okay? 1/8 of twice a number is means equal then 14. Okay? Or simply we can say that it is twice a number divided by 8 is 14. Okay? Twice a number divided by 8 is 14. Now, let's try it out. So I want you to answer the following. Write an equation for the following verbal sentences or verbal statements. Number 1, if 8 is added to 4 times a number, the result is 5 added to 3 times the number. Number 2, if 3 is subtracted from a number and their difference is doubled, the result is 2 more than the number. And number 3, we have 4 times a number is equal to 36. Then lastly, we have the quotient of 8 more than 3 times a number and 4 is 15. Now, I will reveal the correct answer. For number 1, we have 4x plus 8 because 8 is added to 4 times a number. So 4x plus 8, the result is means equals 5 added to 3 times a number. So you have to add 5 to 3 times a number. Okay? Next, number 2. The answer is 2 times x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2 because 3 is subtracted from a number and their difference is doubled. As you can see, 3 is subtracted from a number, then their difference is doubled, means we have to twice it. The result is, means equal, 2 more than the number, that is x plus 2. Number 3, we have 4 times a number is equal to 36. 4 times a number, 4x, is equal to 36. Okay? Number 4, the quotient of 8 more than 3 times a number and 4 is 15. So, the quotient of 8 more than 3 times a number, okay, that is 3x plus 8. 3 times a number, 3x. 8 more than means we have to interchange 3x and 8. That's why we have 3x plus 8. And 4 means because of this quotient, we have to divide them by 4 is 15. Okay, equals to 15. Therefore, we have 3x plus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 15. It is important for you to know how to translate verbal statements to mathematical sentences and vice versa when we are dealing with linear equations in one variable, because it may help you or it will help you to solve linear equations, okay? Especially when we are talking about problem solving. So that's all for today. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.